today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, people are going crazy. They are going crazy on YouTube, they are going crazy on Twitter, and probably in their private life as well, because Bitcoin is going crazy also. I want to shed some light here. And I don't know if you watched my videos in the last few weeks, and especially here, this video, which I want to show you, where I said, Bitcoin, this is crazy, dump after pump. That was almost 4 weeks ago, where I just here in front of the house on the beach side, I was making a video about Bitcoin, showing you one chart, which I said it in that video. I'll leave the link down below in the pinned comment in the video description. You can rewatch that video. It's a 4-minute video or something, so take your time. And I was showing you one chart which excludes literally all the noise for Bitcoin, which at this point of time, and I wasn't sure that it will, of course, I'm not telling you I can predict the future, no, for sure. Come on, guys. I mean, Bitcoin goes down, I lose money also, don't get me wrong, right? But the chart which I was showing you there was exactly predicting what is going to happen to Bitcoin. And right now I want to pull up this chart with you and tell you what this chart is predicting right now. This is the literally easiest to understand chart which I have ever shown. And I said the same thing in that video. I want to revive it. I want to go into it and talk with you about that one chart right now. Let's go straight into it. And before I am showing you that one chart, I want to show you a quick excerpt, like just a minute video out of that video from 3-4 weeks ago, and then I want to go into the chart and tell you what it predicts right now. But now I want to show you what it predicted 3 to 4 weeks ago. Look at this little clip here. Look at this. Bears are stronger and preventing from Bitcoin from creating that second higher high, right? So what we are seeing here is, what this chart shows you is, if we are closing a weekly candle below $93,500. And guys, believe me, I'm saying this for the 4th time because my storage is full. I hope I fixed it now. If we are closing a weekly candle below $93,500, likelihood significantly increases for us to break down to the following price target of 83, rather $84,000 for Bitcoin in a final capitulation move towards the downside. I know that. And as you can see, this is basically exactly what was happening. So if we are going here into the chart, and that is the weekly line chart, right? I explained in that video, the line chart is the easiest kind of chart you can actually look at. Usually we are using the candle chart, as you can see here, which actually shows us this M pattern with a second higher high. But going into that line chart, you can see this is the perfect M pattern. And that is what I was showing in that video. The moment we broke down, we are actually going lower. The price target of that chart, and we went already today to like 85,000 or something. The price target is 84, basically. So we have almost reached the price target, and I can tell you, of course, 85, that could be already it, right? The matter of fact is that the price target here was almost perfectly reached. Now the question is, can we go lower? Well, it's hard to say. So 83, 84, 85,000 US dollars, that should be the level, the price target of this specific breakdown. But if we are zooming out, of course, this is the most likely price target. That is why I made the video. But it is still possible, and that is my worst case scenario, to reach the top. And here it doesn't really look perfect with the touch points because it's the line chart. Would be my worst case scenario price target at 73,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. And again, that doesn't mean that I'm shorting right now. That doesn't mean that I'm selling my Bitcoin holdings. No, I am holding all of my Bitcoin holdings. That is how I was able to outperform the Bitcoin market in the last 8 years, ever since I started buying Bitcoin. By not trying to outperform the Bitcoin market, I was outperforming almost all people in the Bitcoin market, right? On my long trade here for Bitcoin, I took profits at 104,000 US dollars. In fact, half of my profits I took almost 9 million US dollars in Bitcoin holdings from this profit taking, another 8 million US dollars, which are still exposed in that trade. Why am I still holding it? Because I do not believe that the liquidation price of this Bitcoin long position around 44,000 US dollars is actually most likely ever gonna get reached, right? This is my prediction for today. I just wanted to revive the memory on that specific chart and what it predicts, not only what it predicted 3 weeks ago, but exactly what it predicts right now for the future for Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.